Before buying a ceramic air fryer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Kasari TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Kasari 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer caught my eye right away, especially with its sleek dark gray finish and impressive price tag of $151.64. If you want an air fryer that does it all and cooks evenly, this is worth a serious look. With a temperature range of 90 degrees F to 450 degrees F, you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, and even dehydrate your food. It also comes with 100+ in-app recipes, so you never run out of ideas. Plus, the ceramic coating makes cleanup super easy. No one wants to spend ages scrubbing pots and pans. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it feels bulky on the countertop. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for a family or meal prepping, that extra space can actually be a benefit. It holds 6 quarts, so you can whip up meals for everyone in one go. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile air fryer that can handle different cooking methods. Skip this one if you only need something compact for occasional snacks. For the price and variety of features, it's a solid investment. Now, if the size of the Kasari bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ninja 4-in-1 Air Fryer. Next up, we have the Ninja 4-in-1 Air Fryer. Priced at $164.28, this one offers a bit more compact option while still packing in the features. If you're looking for something that can air fry and accommodate a decent amount of food without taking over your kitchen, this might be the one. The 5-quart capacity is great for cooking up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, perfect for family dinners. The Air Crisp technology circulates hot air around your food, achieving that crispy finish we all love with little to no oil. This reduces fat by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods. Plus, it has programmable settings, making it user-friendly. Now, I did notice some reviews mentioning that the non-stick coating can wear off over time. Honestly, that can be a concern for regular users, but if you handle it with care, it still offers great value for its functionality. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly air fryer that doesn't take up too much space. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger capacity. It's a good balance between performance and size. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love cooking in larger batches. Product number 3, Bella 4 QT Slim Air Fryer. The Bella 4 QT Slim Air Fryer is priced at just $63.18, making it a fantastic budget-friendly option. If space is tight in your kitchen but you still want the benefits of air frying, this one's designed for you. It features a sleek design that saves up to 50% more counter space compared to older models, which is a huge plus for smaller kitchens. With its Evergood ceramic non-stick coating, you can enjoy healthier cooking without worrying about harsh chemicals. It has 6 preset cooking options, making meal prep a breeze. Some users have pointed out that the cooking capacity might feel limiting for larger families, given its 3.3 lb capacity. But here's the thing, if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, this is a really efficient choice that doesn't compromise on quality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, compact air fryer for quick meals. Skip this one if you need to cook for a big family regularly. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more capacity without breaking the bank, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, Bella 6 QT Slim Air Fryer. Up next is the Bella 6 QT Slim Air Fryer, and at $101.09, it offers a balance of price and capacity. If you want something a bit larger without going overboard, this is definitely worth considering. With its 6-quart capacity, you can cook up to 5 pounds of chicken or a large batch of fries, making it great for family meals. The Evergood ceramic non-stick coating means healthier cooking and easy cleanup. Plus, it has all the same cooking presets as the 4QT version, ensuring versatility. It's designed to save space while maximizing capacity. One downside I noticed in reviews is the temperature accuracy. Some users found it to run a bit hot. I'll be real with you, that can be a bit frustrating. But if you keep an eye on your food and adjust as needed, it's usually manageable. This is perfect for you if you have a larger family or like to meal prep in bulk. Skip this one if you need precise temperature control for delicate dishes. For the price, it's a reliable option that doesn't disappoint. Now, if you want something that really elevates your cooking game, let's take a look at our final option. Product number 5, Cosori Iconic Smart Air Fryer. Lastly, we have the Cosori Iconic Stainless Steel 6.5 QT Smart Air Fryer priced at $314.68. This one is for those who want the best of the best in terms of features and technology. If you're serious about your cooking and want a smart kitchen gadget, this is worth your attention. It's packed with a powerful motor and 5 fan speeds for even cooking, and the PFAS-free ceramic coating is a big plus for health-conscious cooks. With 6 cooking functions and a dedicated app for guided recipes, you can explore a new world of culinary possibilities. Plus, the dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup a breeze. But here's the catch, it's quite a bit pricier than others on this list, and some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. However, if you're someone who loves experimenting with recipes, the features justify the price. This is perfect for you if you are passionate about cooking and want the latest tech. Skip this one if you're just looking for something basic. For its capabilities, this is an investment that could enhance your cooking significantly. So there you have it. We covered the Cosori TurboBlaze Ninja 4-in-1 Bella 4 QT, Bella 6 QT, and the Cosori Iconic Smart Air Fryer. Each has its own strengths depending on your cooking needs and budget. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, there's an option for you here. Happy cooking!